Hey, good morning. How y'all doing? Today we're going to talk about how to regen the International semi tractor. When you see this light, that's a solid light. Now, how you can clear the solid light, you can drive on the highway for 55 to 65 miles per hour steadily for about 5 to 10 minutes and it should go off. If it's a flashing light, what you do is you come over here to where it says parked REGEN and you press that button. You'll know when it's pressing it, you'll see that green light. And you wait for probably maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes. The RPM will go all the way to 10. You'll know when it's done when that light comes off, and it will go back down to idle. You don't want to do your regen at a fuel station. You want to put it in a safe place, park in a safe place. Like I'm just right off the highway and there's no flammable areas around here, and you just sit and wait. And I hope this helps anyone that is needing to have their regen redone. Thank you and have a blessed day.